to English. And English are three types: Old English, Middle English, Modern English. Old English start in 415 AD, and this English soundless, and people speak complete word. And then come Middle English. Middle English start in 813 to 11 1100, and that English is soundful, and people speak complete word, but some French word add in English. Then now I am speak modern English. Modern English is very high and very fast, and in the modern English people speak slangs word, and now today many English professor and technology with the technology do the search on English and make a new words. Now I am come at topic. This is my topic, English language, and first is international and use in whole world. Now English use in whole world. Every person speak English. If we leave home and we come at and go other countries, and people speak English very well, so this is very good. Become relationship. With the English we meet other peoples, and we discussion about the culture, traditionals, and we ask to other peoples in your country what people doing, and become relationship. So this is a become relationship. Simple, easy to learning. Nowadays many simple books available in the market, and if we want that we learning English and speak English, we bringing book from shop, and this books is very cheap, so we can learn the English, we can learn and speak English very easily. And in the cities many libraries are situated, and you meet to the library managers, and some books are borrowed, and you read books, and then you return 2 weeks and 2 weeks. Very useful business for business. If I am belong to India, and I am do a deal with England peoples. If I don't know about English, so I am not progress in the world. Development is very necessary for every country, and without development we earning not money. So if we speak English, and we deals to other people's, our relationship long by long, so our country is very developed and become relationship. And now I am show some pictures related by English language. This picture related by English language, and many people you see Chinese peoples, and some other countries peoples, and one man carry on earth. So he that picture show English language is we do the good works, and carry on earth by technology and English and speaking language. Now I am sure these pictures. The teacher are information to give the information to students, and you see that their students are in different countries, and they speak and learning English from teacher.
Yeah.
And this is cartoon, but
push it higher. Your head's high. No, push it higher.
No, no.
No.
Just overhead.
Right. Push that up more. That's it. There.
And this is cartoon, but teachers to give the information about students' grammars and punctuations. This is alphabets, and this is alphabet related by sounds, and people speak English by sounds. And I explain the one story. My father's 98 go to England, Canada, and he live in Canada 6 years. And when my father applied to for PR, and my father to judge if you speak English, and I give to PR. If you not speak English, I am not give to PR in the lifetime. So my father leave the Canada, and now at home. This is a very good example for English. And in the conclusion, I am say, if you don't know English, you not progress in the world, and you not make the relationship in the other peoples. So this is my presentations and related by the this is and pictures. If you ask me any questions, I am ready.
Why it is a necessity to speak English?
English is necessary for every person, for necessary, because if we do the discussion about other people's, and we don't know other countries' culture, traditional, so I think English language is necessary for every person.
Yeah. Thank you.